So the issues of having a YouTube channel are that you leave the cover on your Insta360 camera after you started your airplane. So Stanton's kind of busy today, so I'm waiting my turn to back taxi. Fortunately,
Itinerary traffic 14 Bravo is departing the area to westbound.
Fortunately, we're waiting on like 5 other planes that are
See
in
you,
the
New
area.
Ulm, Kelly. See you, New Ulm, Chuck.
What happens when you forget to hit record when you're taking off. So just departed. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. We had to wait a while to get on the runway.
Lake Elmo traffic.
So I'm headed straight to New Ulm. Chuck's already there, probably. It's fast.
Clear traffic.
Just resetting some things here, trimming down, and we're on our way. So we landed in New Ulm. Chuck just started up. He's over here. So my landing was not great, which you probably saw. But we are on our way. We're gonna fly back to Stanton. So far, everything's good. We have 180. Going up over here, and here's my Stanton. So, and hop in the plane.
New Ulm traffic, Stanton 963 Charlie, entering 15, will be departing to the east. New Ulm traffic.
Looks good. Here you go. Whoa. Little shimmy. Airspeed's alive. And we are off to go. Off we go. We are cruising pretty quickly right now. I am going 161 miles an hour over the ground and indicating about 145, 140 for airspeed. I was in a slight dive. I'm trying to bring it back down to 2,500 feet. But we are ripping. On the way here, we had quite a headwind. It was probably like a 30 mile an hour headwind, so that would explain why I'm going I don't know, 20 miles an hour more, I guess now. So I guess it's 20 mile an hour high wind. But just following Chuck, he's a lot faster than me. He'll make it back. Should be fine, because then we enter the pattern at slightly different rates. You know, we don't want to be the same, so it'll work out. So I'll let you know when we can stand. There's a truck on the ice down here. We've gotten a few warnings here in Minnesota about not doing that. But let's see if I can find him. I want to see if I can get a video of him. Where is he? He's right about... He was right there. Is that him? I can't tell. Time to land, Stanton. Have to descend heavily. A bit better. We're gonna cut slightly. Pretty bad pattern. Today's just been a day.
Stand traffic, Stanton 63 Charlie, turn a final, 18 stand traffic.
Terrible. Oh my god, dropped it from a mile. What is going on today? Oh, Jesus.
So there you have it. That is a day in flying, I guess. Lessons learned today is, let's see. So pavement runways are not fun for me. I need to work on that for sure. I was a little squirrely. I was a little bit, I think I pulled back, kind of turned a little bit, and kept one wheel up as I was coming down. So try not to do that. And then when I came into land in Stanton, I was a little too high. And so I dropped it quite a bit, as you can see, which if you want to see it again, maybe I'll put it up there. So it was a lot of fun. Let me know if you have anything else, if you want to see anything fun. I'll try to keep flying, and maybe I'll get a fishing video in there or something like that eventually when we go and catch things. So have a good one, everyone.